Question says at 25 degrees Celsius, 50 gram of iron reacts with HCl to form FeCl2. The evolved hydrogen gas expands against a constant pressure of 1 bar. The work done by the gas during this expansion is dash joules. So we have to assume hydrogen to be an ideal gas over here. The balanced reaction of Fe plus H2HCl gives FeCl2 plus H2. Over here it is given to us that Fe is 50 grams. So we can find number of moles of iron which is equal to given weight upon atomic weight, that is 50 upon 55.85, which is given to us in the question. So these are the moles of Fe. Similar, the number of moles of Fe will be now equal to number of moles of hydrogen since the stoichiometric coefficient is 1. So therefore an irreversible process, we have work done to be equal to minus of P external into delta V. P external is given to us as 1 bar. So therefore we have work done for an irreversible process to be equal to minus of moles of H2 into minus of P delta V. Now it is said to be an ideal gas. So we can write P delta V is equal to NR delta T, which is equal to minus of moles of H2 into RT, which is equal to minus of this mole 50 upon 55.85 into R, that is 8.314 into temperature. Temperature is given to us as 25 degrees Celsius, but for an ideal gas we need temperature in Kelvin. So therefore we have 273 plus 25, that is 298 over here. On solving this, we get the value of work done for an irreversible process to be equal to minus 2218.05 joules. So the nearest integer is 2218. Therefore the work done by the gas is 2218 joules.